What's going on, everybody? Today I'm in the city of Imperial Beach. I'm checking out this property here, literally just 5 minutes away from the Pacific Ocean here in San Diego, California. I want you to check out the inside of this property. It is absolutely beautiful. And to be honest, I think it's a really good bang for your buck here. Um, let's check out this property, see if you like it.
Friends and family, this property here listed for 850,000 in the city of Imperial Beach. This property here is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,584 square feet. Check out the inside of this property here. Nice open floor plan, everything remodeled, nice flooring. Obviously, this property is being staged, but this is what the potential of what your house could look like. Living room on this side here, dining table right there, guests right there. And then look at this kitchen. Nice, very open, very modern style. People like the booth. People like the countertop, the nice modern look. To me, this looks very fancy, very modern. And then just right here, you have your first bedroom here. As soon as you walk in, this could be potential guest bedroom. This could be potential office space and has direct access to the backyard here. Now we're gonna go down to this hallway here. This is where majority of the bedrooms are. We're gonna make a quick left. This is our first bedroom here. And like I said, all these rooms come with the same nice flooring here, closet, mirror installed. We got another bedroom here on the left side. Same thing. We got 4 bedrooms in this house, so plenty of space here in this property. And then look at the bathrooms here. Look how modern it is. Nice little marble backsplash. I really like the flooring here. Kind of like a hectagon type of flooring, polygon, I don't even know. And then check out this. This would be the master bedroom, direct access to the outside. The only con that I would say regarding this house, obviously look at the bathroom and everything's good. However, the only con I would say would be just the size of this closet here. Just look at the size. It's like a one-side closet. It's not really necessarily a walk-in closet, just a one-sided. So that's the only thing I would say regarding this property. But literally, there's a lot of like closet organizers that you could get that could fit a lot of clothes. So that might not be a big deal for some people. But here's where the money is made. Check out this backyard, mix with the concrete, mix with the turf. This would be perfect, absolutely perfect for backyard barbecues, having some pets out here, having the family just run around out here. Like, this is more than enough space that you could get. Nice little side walkway that you could get to the house. And just the things that you could do, you could put even a little playground for the family. Like, it's completely up to you. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this little gate here, and this is gonna be our parking spaces here. So we easily park 2 cars right here, park your toys, your amenities, whatever the case may be. You park that puppy right there, and that's essentially where you be your space to be. So look, what do you think of the space? Like, do you think this is a decent amount of space here in the city of Imperial Beach? Like, what do you actually think? Actually, just in the back here, we have this little alleyway where you can actually get to the property as well. So, I mean, I walked the neighborhood. The neighborhood's fairly quiet. The neighbors are really friendly. Everyone's keeping minding to themselves, really. And I like how this is really nice and fenced off. That way, no one can really look at what you're doing, from the back here. And but yeah, like what do you like? To be honest, the house is very remodeled and nice flooring and finishing throughout the whole house. The kitchen is absolutely beautiful. I mean, if you're trying to grow a family here, you're trying to be a first time buyer, this would be one great opportunity here for 850,000. There comes that you could get down payment assistance. You could get rate buy downs. You could get potentially your closing costs covered. A lot of benefits that you get as first time home buyer or someone looking to relocate or even military family. You know the benefits here. You could walk away with $0 down. So yeah, if you're potentially looking to buy a property or maybe shop for some property here in San Diego, here's my information. Give me a call, shoot me a text, 619-928-1031, or even message me on Instagram, Lucifer Realty, and looking forward to hear from you. Cheers.